And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an electrifying afternoon of basketball action here at the SM Events Hall in SM SOUTHMALL, Las Piñas City. It's an exciting day for SINAG Liga ASYA as we're kicking off this Saturday with a bang, featuring the first game of the day in the BORN2004 division between the Pampanga Pradera Delta and BALIWAG Stars. It's the start of a thrilling lineup of 4 action-packed games ahead, and on your screens you can see Andre Dungo, the UST High School star, and now a DLSU commit. So get ready for this kid. Itong si Andre Dungo, he's gonna be looking to make some waves ngayon in this game. And on the other end naman for the BALIWAG Stars, itong si Jacob Malangin, the lefty right there, the guard. He looks to score for his team. He's gonna look to lead itong BALIWAG Stars in their game today. Itong star guard nila. Pero let's take a look at the games today na lalaroin natin. 4 games. First game natin ngayon is the Pampanga Pradera Delta versus the BALIWAG Stars. Next would be the Pampanga Pradera Delta versus the Luwid 1 Kapampangan Born 2001 division naman. Our third game would be the J Project Clothing Saints versus the Hustle Rising Stars, happening at 5 p.m. And ang last game naman natin in the 40 and up division is the NRMC Basketball versus VPD Trading. Ito ang mga games natin ngayon. And once again, I would just like to wish a good afternoon sa lahat ng nanonood po. My name is Aaron D. I'm gonna be your anchor for today. And I am joined by one of the smartest and most intelligent analysts we have dito sa SINAG Liga ASYA. Itong si Coach Ernest Alao. So Coach Ernest, once again, good afternoon and welcome back to the panel.
Good afternoon, brother. I'm very excited. Happy ako na ikaw ulit yung kasama ko today. Let's expect, guys, na sa mga fans natin na nanonood, expect natin na magiging awesome tong game na to dahil we have Delta na talagang powerhouse team talaga. And let's not count BALIWAG Stars just yet. Sobrang effort nila, sobrang grabe yung effort nila when it comes to defending. Tapos may mga talagang maaasahan silang players na this time makakapaglaro.
And yun na nga, as you mentioned a while ago, Pampanga filled with stars. Itong BALIWAG naman, they're gonna be matching up with this Pampanga team, pero full of energy itong BALIWAG. Pero let's not forget yung third member of our panel natin, si Miss Francine Capili, who's gonna be our eyes and ears on the sidelines for this game. So Francine, kamusta ka naman dyan?
Okay naman ako, Aaron. Good afternoon, Aaron and Coach Ernest. And good afternoon sa ating mga kasinag who are tuned in for our SLA Juniors League. It will be a very long day as we have 4 games ahead. Pero for our first game, let's tune in for Pampanga Delta versus the BALIWAG Stars. And I will be your eyes and ears on the sidelines. So back to you, Coach Ernest and Aaron.
Yun, so maraming salamat, Francine. We're gonna be awaiting your updates dito sa game natin. Pero speaking of updates, if you wanna be more updated in our league, we would like to encourage everyone to go ahead and follow our social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. Nandun po kami at SINAG Liga ASYA. And on TikTok and YouTube naman, nandun po kami SINAG Liga TV. So hit that follow button, hit that share button. Dun nyo po makikita lahat ng mga game live natin, mga game coverage natin. It's all gonna be there dun sa mga live natin dun. Pero let's talk about the game story for us today. Itong Pampanga and itong BALIWAG. They're going in the opposite direction. So itong Pampanga, they won their opening game in our league. Pero itong BALIWAG naman, they're on a 2-game losing streak, Coach.
Oo, nag-i-struggle na talaga ngayon yung BALIWAG Stars kasi for sure malakas talaga sila, Aaron. Ang nagiging problem lang, yung mga key players nila, for some reason hindi nagpapakita eh. So I hope ma-workout nila yan kasi for sure they are a team to beat talaga. Pero dito naman sa Pampanga, we all know Gov Delta and his power na talagang makapag-create ng malakas na team. I'm really excited kung sino yung, alam mo yun, makakatapat talaga ng face-to-face, talagang match na team. And I'm hoping na hindi mawalan ng kumpiyansa yung BALIWAG Stars dito dahil konting sipag lang, konting effort lang, malay natin, di ba? Masilat nila tong Pampanga Delta.
And itong Pampanga talaga, they're the powerhouse in this matchup. They're gonna be the ones with the advantage dito. Pero BALIWAG as the underdogs, team effort sila. Pero let's take a look at the previous game nitong Pampanga. They just showed complete dominance against itong Parañaque Pelicans, winning 111-72.
Yeah, that's what you would expect coming from them. Talagang from the field goal, sa rebounds, lalong-lalo na we can see sa points in the paint tsaka turnover, talagang dun sila nag-lead, dun sila kumana. Kaya I'm very happy na coming from a team na talagang halos lahat UAAP stars, talagang yan yung may expect mo sa kanila.
And yun na nga, di ba? As you mentioned, UAAP stars, NCAA stars, this Pampanga team has it all. Talagang kompleto itong team nila. On your screens, you can see Charles Dural there, one of the big men dito para sa Pampanga Delta, ready to step up for them ngayon. So talagang it's gonna be a matchup to watch dito. Itong Baliwag Stars, they're gonna be wearing green ngayon. You can see them on your screens right now. And let's take a look at the previous game naman nitong Baliwag. So they're on a slide right now. They lost that last game to Hustle, 70-78 naman.
Yeah, actually tayong dalawa yung nagpanel dyan, Aaron. No, we can see talaga na kayang-kaya eh. Okay? Nagkakaroon sila ng mga gandang runs. Ang naging problema lang talaga nila, si Malangin, si Nicolas, tsaka yung iba pa nila na si Deselis, talagang silang tatlo lang yung nagtatrabaho. Kaya I hope na this time yung bench points nila makapag-improve para at least match naman nila tong Pampanga.
And I'm sure the bench of Baliwag is gonna be looking to step up in this game na mas lalo na ang kalaban nila ngayon is Pampanga Delta. Pero let's turn it over muna to Francine Capili for a quick report doon sa gilid.
After a long rest, the boys of Pampanga Delta are up and looking to add a second win on their list, while the boys of Baliwag Stars are hoping to bounce back from their 2 straight losses. Pampanga Stars like Andre Dungo, Francis De La Cruz, to name a few, are all to look out for the Baliwag Stars boys. Now, will we see a continuation of Pampanga Delta's dominance or a big comeback for the Baliwag Stars? Let's all tune in to find out. Now, I'm turning it over to Ram Valid for our SINAG starters.
Magandang hapon mga kasinag. We're coming to you live inside the amazing SM SOUTHMALL Las Piñas City. Welcome to SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines. Presented to you by SINAG Liga ASYA. And co-presented to you by CDO Foods Sphere Incorporated, foods that brings you home. And through Religion Philippines. You can also catch live action at SINAG Liga ASYA official FB page and YouTube channel at SINAG Liga ASYA TV. Our first game for today for the day 7 of competition. It's your Pampanga Delta Pradera team and Baliwag Stars. And now let's meet the starting lineups of the protagonists. First for your Pampanga Delta Pradera team part. Point guard from San Simon, number 19, Andre Dungo. Shooting guard from City of San Fernando, number 18, Elijah Yuzi. At forward from Masantol, number 42, Jolo Navarro. Also at forward from Bacolor, number 16, Joseph Pangilinan. And center from Laguna, number 44, Charles Dural. Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park is led by Coach Jay Shera. Assistant coaches Pepe Duyag, Tote Marquez, and Mar Hansen. Team owner Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Your Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. And now let's meet the starters for your Baliwag Stars. At guard from Malolos, number 3, Jacob Balangan. Also at guard from Plaridel, number 29, Romer Mendoza. At forward from Baliwag, number 11, Ashton Nobilio. Also at forward from Baliwag, number 24, Stephen Marcelo. And center from Baliwag, number 9, Ivan Dezelis. Head coach for Baliwag Stars is Milo Sanawan. Assisted by J.B. Bautista, Team Manager Mr. Rolando Torres, Team Owner Honorable Ferdinand Vizeo Estrella. Your Baliwag Stars. Game officials are Daddy Stolik, Elgar Escaros, Mara Puego, and Anson Aquino. This is your SINAG Liga.
And yun na nga, Ram Valid announced the starting fives of both teams doon. Coach, let's take a look at these.
Right, as you can see sa Delta, we have UC, Dungo, Dural, Navarro, and Pangilinan. Sa Stars naman, we have Malangin, Mendoza, Deselis, Marcelo, and Novillo.
And we check out the Pampanga Delta starting five there. It's star-studded doon. Lahat ng mga player nila talagang may experience in the UAP and the NC level. Pero itong Baliwag Stars, they're not gonna be backing down in this game. They're gonna give their full effort.
Yes, I hope. Kasi talagang yung Baliwag Stars, gumagaling sila lalo pag powerhouse yung team na kalaban nila eh, no? Yan, good job, good pass.
And an opening score right there by number 9. Itong si Aaron DeCelis with an open layup. Pero as you mentioned a while ago, diba, sa last matchup nila against Hustle, talagang star-studded yung lineup nila doon. Luis Pablo, itong si Manalili, kompetente. Pero dumikit pa rin sila doon. 8 points lang yung lamang ng Hustle doon, right?
Oo. Actually, I like what I'm seeing. Talagang yung effort nila, yung aggressiveness nila when it comes to defending, sobrang gigil agad sila.
And there with an early steal once again, itong Baliwag Stars, they kick it right wing. Novilio for 3. Yes,
Yeah, he
sir!
can make that. Sobrang shooter talaga neto ni Ashton. Actually, kahit going left or right, talagang may siya, arsenal siya for those types of actions.
And Novilio, an Arellano standout right there. This is Navarro naman from Letran. Tries to pass it to Dural, pero a turnover right there.
Yeah, that's the thing talaga. Pag mga player ng school, they tend to relax. Pero I hope na makabalik dito ng maayos yung Pampanga kasi mahirap yan. Magkaroon ng snowball, matambakan agad sila. Para papabor yung game dito para sa Baliwag pag nangyari yon.
And Malangin tries the pocket pass doon kay Aaron DeCelis, pero it's kicked out. So babalik po ang possession dito sa Baliwag Stars. And what type of defense ang linalaro dito, coach, ng Pampanga right here?
Yeah, actually for now, makikita mo nakaman sila. Pero ang maganda dyan sa Pampanga, every time na naka-baseline or sideline offense yung kalaban, nagtatranslate sila sa 2-3 Kaya nahihirapan mag-set yung kalaban.
And Malangin short on that 3-point attempt. And here we go, pushing the pace is UC inside.
That's a good drive. Hindi siya nagmadali. He was slowing down, papunta sa paint. Tapos nakita niya, ina-expect ng kalaban, i-kick out niya, dinaretso niya. That's a good decision.
And Ashton Novilio right now calling the play for Baliwag. To the left side, handoff, back to Ashton.
Yeah, that's
Novilio
their favorite play.
tries inside, kicks it, left wing, 3 by Mendoza, no good.
That's a good shot selection. Talagang hindi lang shumut.
And ito na, si Dungo all the way.
Yeah, knowing Andre Dungo, product yan ni Coach Manu Inigo, talagang magaling yung batang yan. And I'm happy na dahil maganda yung napakita niya sa UAP Juniors, kinuha siya ni Coach Topek sa DLSU.
Malangin spinning inside, Malangin diming. To Novilio, he steps back for 3 right there. And once again, same spot, same result.
Yeah, that's his favorite. Actually, nung kalaban namin sila, sinabi ko talaga sa scouting report namin na let's do everything to stop Ashton, lalo na pag step back 3 niya kasi pretty much automatic talaga eh.
Dungo, cross court to the corner.
That's a good save.
UC, pressured right there. Pangilinan gets it. Inside pass to Jolo Navarro and 1.
Good find. That's a good decision right there. Kahit na nagka-scramble na sa corner, di sila gumive up. And good patience dito. Nakita pa niya yung nasa loob.
Check this out. Navarro with the lakas move of the quarter, brought to you by True Religion Brand Jeans, finishing that end 1 right there.
Yeah, actually magaling talaga to si Jolo. From what I know, alam ko nagka-ACL ata to or basta injury na talagang napahinga siya. Pero I'm happy na nakabalik na siya sa laro niya ngayon.
Malangin getting the ball. Right here to the wing. Mendoza kicks. Malangin thinks about it. Doesn't pull the trigger inside to Aaron. DeCelis blocked by Navarro. And UC gonna push it once again. Dungo open court basketball.
Yeah, dyan magaling ang Pampanga knowing na they have the size, they have the length. Nakakadepensa sila ng maayos. So what will happen pag nakadepensa sila ng maayos, si Andre or kung sino man yung nasa taas, automatic tumatakbo na agad. Kaya magaling sila sa transition.
And ito na nga, this is Navarro inside for 2.
Yan.
And a quick timeout is gonna be called dito. 9-8 po ang score natin. Pampanga Delta Pradera up right now. Babalik po kami shortly after this quick timeout.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
And we would like to thank CDO Food that brings you home. Maraming salamat po, CDO. Pero yun na nga, we can see some of the fans in attendance right now for our opening game nitong Saturday. So right here we can see Jolo Navarro, the Letran high player with the lakas drive of the quarter, brought to you by Converge. Taking it all the way right there is the big man.
Oo, yan talagang maganda. Knowing Jolo Navarro, actually kahit sinong big neto ng Pampanga, they can run eh. Kaya kahit hindi na mahirapan masyado to sila Andre kasi they know na once na magkaroon ng rebound, defensive rebound, they can run. Kasi automatic kahit big man kaya magbaba eh. That's a traveling.
And a traveling violation dun by Stephen Marcelo. Pero mukhang itong Pampanga, coach, every time you make an error against them, it seems like they take advantage of it very quickly.
Right. Actually, ano eh, kailangan maging automatic na sa kahit na sinong team yun eh. Na if someone is playing on the other side of the court, kung sino man yung nasa weak side, dapat ready kayo. Oh, that's a bad miscommunication.
And Jolo Navarro all alone inside right there. A pass from Charles Dural right there.
Oo, medyo na-starstruck tong Baliwag kasi hindi nila alam kung saan sila pupunta when it comes to their defensive schemes eh.
And a kick to Ashton Novillo. Dumps it down inside to Aaron. Aaron for two, no good. One more try by Deselis.
Yeah, good job. He's not giving up on his play. Nakita niya, sumobra yung tira niya. Trinay niya pa rin makakuha ng rebound. Resulting in a score.
Ito naman, Dungo. Left wing, cross-court pass. Joseph Pangilinan. He drives inside with a Euro step,
Wow.
pero overcooks it right there.
Yeah, that's a good decision kay Ashton. Medyo bagalan nila.
Ito na Ashton crossing to the right.
He can make that.
Kick corner, Mendoza for three. Short on that attempt. Rebound by Dungo. And once again, they're gonna push it. Here comes UC. Euro step inside.
Good
Block.
D. Yeah, yan yung kailangan nila, Aaron. Yan yung pinag-uusapan natin eh. Sa transition, automatic lagi yung Pampanga. So they need to make an effort na makababa agad yung safety nila.
And Stephen Marcelo gets fouled on that play, so he's gonna be heading to the line. For two free throws, foul po yun on Charles Dural.
Oo, kaya actually si Coach Milo, he did a good job na talagang in-emphasize niya sa timeout niya na pag walang nangyari, let's say turnover, let's say miss, tas automatic na rebound na ng Pampanga, kailangan may tumatakbong tatlo talaga pababa. Kasi nagiging madali na lang yung buhay ni Andre, ng ibang guards na talagang nakaka-layup na lang sila na madali eh.
And itong Baliwag Stars, they're head coached by Coach Milo San Juan. And he mentioned kanina na they're headed then by Mayor Ferdy Estrella nitong Baliwag City. So he wants the team to get exposure, scouting, and experience dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. And he thinks this is one of the best places to get it. Kaya dito pinadala ni Coach ni Mayor Ferdy ang team niya. Pero that's short. Dural gets the rebound, kicks it out. Andre Dungo steps back to Pangilinan. Left-handed drive inside with contact. Ooh, that's a dangerous fall right there.
Yeah, that's a bad fall. Nauna yung likod niya. With no support coming from his arm. Masakit yun.
And rinig na rinig po yun from our angle dito. Check this out on the replay. Pangilinan tries to use the body. And he just lands on him accidentally on that play. Itong si Aaron Deselis. So Aaron is still on the ground right now. And definitely nothing intentional done on the part of Joseph Pangilinan. Pero yun na nga, Aaron Deselis gets up thankfully. And mukhang okay naman po siya. Pero on your screens right now, it's Coach Milo San Juan.
Yeah, I think he's okay. Actually, I wanted to go back sa sinabi mo kanina, Aaron. And that's a good part kay Coach Milo na talagang nilapitan niya pa talaga yung mayor na tumulong sa kanila para, alam mo yun, makatulong sa mga athletes na to na, let's say, hindi ganun kakilala. Walang school, tapos magkaroon ng opportunity na makapaglaro sa gantong kagandang liga. Makatalo lang sila ng isang powerhouse team. Let's say, sabihin natin J-Project. Nakalaban na ba nila? Hindi pa. Let's say, matalo nila yon. Tapos andun si Moore, Alaw, andun si Andy Hemao. Pag natalo nila yon, automatic yan, madaming manonood, Aaron, di ba? So, having the opportunity na makapaglaro sa gantong liga, sa mga ganong kalalakas na player, sa gantong kagagaling na teams, coaching staff. Kaya talagang malaking bagay ito and we're very thankful na may SINAG Liga Asya tayo para, alam mo yun, maging avenue para sa mga athletes na to.
And kahit nung last game nila, di ba, dumikit sila dun sa hustle. They had Luis Pablo, Renzo Competente, itong si Jonathan Manalili. Kaya itong Baliwag talaga, you might not know their names now, pero you're gonna find out soon.
Good job dun, Aaron. Totoo yun, na kahit may Pablo sila and mga Letran stars, talagang they didn't give up.
This is Malangin.
Lalo na to, Malangin, no?
And this guy is starting to make a name for himself, si Jacob Malangin.
Yan, they're just going flow, 2-man, 3-man.
And Novilio inside. Novilio blocked on that play. And ball possession is going to be staying with Baliwag Stars. Pumasok na rin po dito sa Baliwag itong si Dexter Alapar. The big man right there, number 14. This is Malangin, three-pointer, no good, short. And here we go, UC pushes it. Dungo
You can make that.
tries the three, no good. Gets his own board. Cross court to Pangilinan. Corner, Navarro for three. Splashes that one home.
Yan ang maganda kay Jolo. Actually, dalawa talaga sila nagpapalitan ni ni si Lorio sa Letran kasi pareho silang big who can shoot perimeter tsaka 3 points. Kaya I'm happy na talagang na-elevate niya pa yung game niya kasi big man ngayon, automatic kailangan dapat na nakaka-shoot no? Nice, good shot.
That's Zen Penequito with a 3-point field goal. Pero as you mentioned a while ago, itong si Jolo Navarro showing us the full package ngayon. Driving all the way, shooting a corner three. Talagang complete player itong si Jolo Navarro. And here we go once again. Navarro getting the ball, hands it off to UC. UC inside with a tough floater right there. And here we go. Ashton gets
rebound.
it. Novilio against Dungo. Pero it's stopped from behind by UC.
Yeah, good job on UC. Nakita niya, nag-miss siya. Hindi na-rebound ng kasama niya for an offensive. Nag-effort pa rin siya going back on defense kaya nakaagaw pa siya doon.
And let's turn it over muna doon kay Francine for an update on both coaches.
For the side of Baliwag Stars, ang sabi sa akin ni Coach JV Bautista, madami silang adjustments na ginawa in preparation for this game and Pampanga Delta as a team. Alam daw nila na pahihirapan at mahihirapan sila sa Pampanga Delta, but maglalaro pa rin daw sila the best they can and gagalingan pa rin nila even under pressure. And ang paalala sa kanila ni Head Coach Milo San Juan ay kahit matalo tayo, lalaban pa rin tayo. Now back to you, Aaron and Coach Ernest.
And thank you so much for that update, Francine. As you mentioned, lalaban itong mga players and they are battling right now. As you can see, UC against Navarro, but he misses it right there. And Navarro once again being hounded. Excuse me, Novilio being hounded right there. Out there to the corner, Nicolas inside.
Yang nagiging problem ng Baliwag dito, medyo mamadali sila when it comes to setting their half-court plays. Kailangan talaga nilang ma-distinguish kung paano ba nila mas mapapadali or mas automatic na dapat, let's say, kung gagaling sila sa handoff to a two-man screen, kailangan talaga mas mabilis nilang magawa yun.
And I'm looking right now at the lineup, yung height difference nila. Itong Pampanga, they have a really good height mismatch dito sa Baliwag.
Oo, totoo. Ang nangyari kasi, talagang kahit sinong ipasok ng coaching staff ng Pampanga, halos lahat 5'11 pataas.
Here we go, Andre Dungo inside, tries to spin, good defense by Nicolas.
That's a good D.
So na si
No,
Elijah.
don't overplay.
Corner three right here, no good doon para kay De Leon. This is Dungo, fakes it, takes it inside with the left hand, no good. Pangilinan with the reverse.
Yeah, they're just enjoying here kasi nakita nila kahit anong mangyari, lamang na lamang sila sa offensive rebounding So, they can make a shot, mag-miss man, they know na automatic may makaka-rebound na kasama nila. Tapos, ganyan pa. Transition, good save.
UC with a tough reverse right there, no good. And Novilio gets it, pero miscommunication doon. Naagaw to ni De Leon, spins. De Leon, that's a tough shot in traffic right there.
Good job. Nakita niya, nakaposte lang si Novilio doon, waiting for him to come to the... Yan, let's see.
Check this out. Lakas moment of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food that brings you home. This Andre De Leon with a spin move to the end one right there.
Yeah, that's good kay De Leon kasi nakita niya nakaposte lang si Novilio doon, waiting for him na makapasok sa shaded area, kaya umikot siya going to the middle. Good decision.
And 21-16 po ang score natin. 1 minute and 15 remaining here in our first period. Ball possession is going to be staying with Baliwag on that play.
Out of bounds. 18 seconds on a shot clock.
Inbounding the ball dito is Feniquito, number 13, the smallest guy on the court.
Oh, that's a bad communication. Kailangan si Dexter na dapat good stop.
And a good block right there by Roe Domingo.
Yeah, sa mga ganon, sa mga back sets dapat nila, pag dinedeny na yung guard, dapat yung big man na dapat yung nagre-receive ng inbound eh. Bad communication sa kanila doon.
De Leon inbounding. Passes it right there. A floater. No good. Rebound by Danan. No good once again, and Domingo gets that board.
Yeah, that's what we would expect kay Domingo, knowing na he's a very tall forward. Talagang sobrang sipag niya when it comes to rebounding. Pretty much perfect player talaga to.
And Feniquito getting hounded right there, and another turnover. Here comes Elijah Yusi inside for 2.
Yeah, medyo nagre-relax, or let's say talagang na-i-intimidate si Feniquito sa mga guards na nakakabantayan niya, kaya medyo hindi niya alam kung ano gagawin eh. Kasi kilala natin yan, si Feniquito. Good shot kay Nicolas. He can shoot that talaga.
And nakadami din yan, di ba? In their last game against Hustle.
Yeah, we know Feniquito, Aaron. Magaling talaga siya magbaba ng bola, kaya it's very unusual na ganyan yung nilalaro niya ngayon.
Last shot time dito para sa Pampanga Pradera Delta.
Good
Kick
fake,
it. De Leon for 3. No good. And that signals the end of our first period. Ang score po natin is 23-19. The Pampanga Pradera Delta up right now. Let's check out some of the highlights dito. That's a forward pass. Elijah Yusi to the DLSU commit. Andre Dungo for 2 right there. Fast break basketball being ran. Ito naman. This is Novilio stepping back all the way to the 3-point line, splashing it home right there. Then on the other end, UC once again, another forward pass to Dungo. That connection's been working in this game. And ito na nga, Feniquito with a right wing 3-pointer of his own, the little guy. Pero yun na ang score po natin, 23-19 in favor of the Pampanga Pradera Delta. Babalik po kami shortly for more second quarter action.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Always play hard ang mindset ng once growling Tiger, now turned Green Archer and a Pampanga standout under Dungo. Hindi daw niya ina-expect that this game will be an easy one for them because their lack of training and consistency, unlike their opponent who already have a few games under their belt. But he trusts that him and his team can figure it out along the way. As he said, just follow the system and their second win will come along. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Aaron.
And definitely, if they follow that system, mananalo po sila ngayon. Especially under head coach. So wait, let's take a look at this. Andre Dungo gets that ball right there.
That's
Inside
a good pass.
Danan hounded right there by Nicolas. Dungo just pulls it from the free throw line. No good. Good boxing out doon on the part of Baliwag. Uy, pero umapak dun si Nicolas.
Yeah, he should have passed the ball kay Domingo.
And an unforced error right there on your screens. You can see Coach Milo San Juan.
Yeah, actually, I like what Andre told Francine sa report kasi yan talaga yung magiging struggle eh. Actually, nararamdaman namin yan dahil sa 23 under namin, NC and U upstairs din talaga yung mga players namin eh. And ang talagang misconception, kala mo oh, nice!
Hang time right there by Domingo.
Yeah, ang misconception talaga when knowing those types of players, kala mo talaga lagi silang available eh. Pero ang di nila alam ng iba, busy talaga sila. So, I'm happy na talagang kahit hindi nakakapag-practice lagi itong Pampanga, yung players, andun yung tiwala sa sistema ni Coach Jay eh.
And talagang, di ba, as you mentioned a while ago, a lot of prior commitments itong mga players, di ba? Mga iba't ibang liga, dun sa mother team nila.
Oo, totoo.
So talagang it's nice na they're putting their time dito as Malangin misses a 2-pointer right there.
Yeah, we can see Aaron. We know Malangin. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin siyang score, no? Good pass.
Nice passing right there by Pampanga.
That's a good find.
And De Leon just handing it off to his big man doon, right? Ang ganda naman ng play na yun. Ito
Yes.
na, Malangin
Yeah,
inside.
yun yung problem. They saw na nasa paint na si De Leon. Dapat talaga nagtaas na sila ng kamay. That's a good pass, good find.
Oh, and De Leon passes it out.
Pinasa pa.
Pero nonetheless, they still get the 2 points.
Yeah.
Danan finishing that home.
Actually, you can see, medyo nakaka-disappoint sa Baliwag Stars. Wala na yung aggressiveness nila eh. Bakit? Nagkaroon ng 3 passes dito sa half court. Wala pa rin bumaba sa kanila, Aaron, no?
And yun na nga, they're gonna have to go down on defense, especially after an error. Pero Nicolas from the corner, the big boy with the left-hand layup. No good once again. And rebound by Danan. Pangilinan gives it out to De La Cruz. Back to Andre Dungo. And Dungo calling for a pick. Passes it out there to De Leon. Pangilinan stolen by
Good
Feniquito.
job. Good read by Feniquito.
And ito na, Feniquito gonna push it. Pero
Yeah.
no numbers in his favor. He's gonna pull it out. Feniquito, the floodgates just open right there, pero no good.
Yeah, ang problem, hindi bumababa talaga yung mga teammates niya eh. Early offense na sana yun eh. I don't like what I'm seeing sa Baliwag Stars. Hindi sila ganyan eh.
And here comes Dungo inside.
Wow,
What a
good
smooth
job.
move right there. And yun na nga yung energy nitong Baliwag, di ba? It's not like what we saw
Yeah,
from their last
oo.
game, di ba? Kahit on offense, hindi sila bumababa, di ba?
Yes, totoo.
Here we go, Feniquito being
Good
hounded.
screen.
Nicolas, he's got that shot. Oh, but he airmails it. Tries to save it, pero nakuha nitong Pampanga. Here
Yan na
comes
naman,
De
you
Leon.
can see. Si Nicolas na naman yung tao.
2-on-1 fast break right there. No one going down for the Baliwag Stars. And that results in a 10-point lead dito para sa Pampanga. Excuse me, a 12-point lead para sa Pampanga. Check this out. This is De Leon. Lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by SM SOUTHMALL. De Leon to Dungo. Back to De Leon.
Yeah, that's not nice to see. Lalo na kung ikaw si Coach Milo kasi alam mo yun, nag-effort ka para pumunta dito tapos ang nangyari, ganyan yung pinapakita ng mga players mo.
Time out po tayo. Babalik po kami shortly after this quick break.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
And let's take a look at Jacob Manalangin versus the Hustle Rising Suns. He did it all in this game.
Yeah, 20 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. Actually, yan nga yung nakakapanibago, Aaron. We know Malangin, sobrang galing niyang player. Kaya nakakapanibago na ganyan yung pinapakita niya sa game ngayon.
And they're gonna need Malangin to step up in this game kasi he was the main gunner versus the Hustle Rising Suns.
Oh.
And let's see what he's gonna do. He gets the touch after that timeout dito. Malangin out to Nicolas. Nicolas looking for a friend. Nice pass inside to Aaron.
Wow,
He
good
loses it.
D.
DeCelis gets it back. He's gonna force the
Good
issue with a
spin.
spin inside.
Nice, good drive, good decision, and good patience coming from DeCelis.
And titingnan natin if DeCelis is gonna lead the comeback dito after that nasty fall in that first quarter.
Right, I hope. And lalo na kailangan mag-effort ng mga teammates nila.
Here comes Andre Dungo out to De La Cruz. Thinks about it. Pulls the 3 on that shot right there.
Good shot. Kita niya, nag-drop coverage sa kanya. Walang respeto sa space na meron siya. Sige, take ko to.
And Novillo right here against De Leon.
Yan, handoff to a 2-man screen. Let's see.
Novillo inside.
Good
Kicks
counter.
it. Nicolas. Good defense right there. Stolen by Jolo Navarro.
Good read by Jolo.
Pushing the pace. Passes it to De La Cruz. Out to Andre Dungo. Inside pass. Touch pass by De
Good
Leon.
touch pass, sayang.
Pero De Leon, excuse me, Navarro hounded by 2 right there. Cross court to Andre. Asking for a pick right here from Navarro. He just pulls it from the right wing and
Good
splashes that home.
shot. Good shot by Andre. Nakita niya, nag-under sa kanya when it comes to defending the screen. Sige, take ko to. Good decision.
Malangin with a pick from De Celis, pero a foul is called right there on De La Cruz.
Yes. Medyo tumagal na yung kapit niya dito kay Novillo, kaya natawagan na siya ng hand check.
And babalik po dito para sa Pampanga si Elijah UC. And right here we can see Andre Dungo just pulling it from 3 right there. Lakas stress of the quarter brought to you by Sun Sports. Andre Dungo with full confidence in this game.
Yeah, actually hindi mo rin masisisi yung plan ni Coach Milo eh. Kasi Andre Dungo mas talagang nagta-thrive siya when going downhill. Kaya mas okay nang mag-sacrifice sila ng 3-point shot or jump shot kay Andre kaysa pa-drive-in nila eh. Kasi mas malaking threat siya when driving.
And De Celis handing it off to Marcelo for a short baseline jumper there. Ito naman si De La Cruz tries another 3, no good. And Malangin gets that board. He's gonna slow it down muna dito.
Yeah, tsaka knowing them, knowing Baliwag Stars, kahit may transition defense na, wow, good shot.
And Novillo getting up to corner, 3-pointer right there. 39-28 po ang score natin with about 4 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. This is UC, that's a deep 3-pointer. Long on that. De La Cruz gets the board, tries to save it. Fernandez gets the board right there. Back to Elijah, spinning. Binalik kay Dungo. Thinks about it, splits the D.
Yeah, that's a foul. See, mas gusto niya going downhill eh. Mas gusto niya driving. Kaya, I think si Coach Milo ang plan niya for Andre Dungo and the rest na talagang hayaan na lang natin sila tumira ng 3 points. Huwag lang natin sila pa-drive-in. And I think mas nagiging maganda yung game plan nila this quarter.
Kumbaga, they're gonna take the lesser evil, no,
right,
Coach?
oo, tama ka doon. Good insight doon, Aaron. Na kasi ganyan naman talaga sa defensive schemes eh. You have to sacrifice one thing for the other thing to happen. So let's say, yan nga, kay Dungo, ang plano nila, huwag siya pa-drive-in, let's go under every time na hihingi siya ng screen. Mas okay na sila doon na makashoot ng 3 points, huwag lang makadrive. Kasi matalino tong bata eh, na pag-drive, alam niyang sobrang galing niya. Either foul or collapse, lagi siyang may mapapasa ng drop pass.
Pero yun na nga, as Coach Air was talking about them trying to make Dungo take a 3, he just drove all the way to the rim, getting fouled right there. So he went to the line.
Oo, yan na nga.
Shooting free throws, diba?
Oo, nakadrive siya, na-foul siya, tapos automatic sa free throw.
And here we go, Malangin. Oh, that's
good read by
telegraphed
Dungo.
right there.
Yeah.
So na si De La Cruz, he's gonna push it inside. Another foul right there. Ito naman, that's on Aaron De Celis.
Yeah, medyo unnecessary foul doon kay De Celis kasi kitang-kita niya naman yung kamay ni De La Cruz na nawala yung bola sa kanya. So mas magandang option siguro, hands up na lang, sumalubong ka na lang, baka walang foul, tas ma-rebound nyo pa. Kaya bad decision from him.
40-28 po ang score natin. 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. The Pampanga Delta Pradera are currently up right now. Make that 41-28. This is our second quarter action here in our opening game of this Saturday quadruple header. Malangin getting that ball.
Yes, that's what you would expect coming from a Pampanga Delta team na talagang they have the opportunity, they have the strength, they have the lineup na talagang makatambak ng ganyan. Pero what we want to see is for the opposing team, which is the Baliwag Stars, na talagang mag-take up for the challenge, Aaron, no?
And it looks like today, diba, they're not that ready yet. It's not the usual Baliwag na nakita natin from that hustle game.
Yes, kanina pa natin sinasabi kasi ibang-iba talaga sila nun eh, no?
And yun yung hinihintay natin ngayon. And it's gonna be led by this guy right here, shooting free throws, itong si Jacob Malangin. So let's see kung makakuha siya ng rhythm after those 2 free throws.
Oo, actually 11 na lang. Tapos second quarter pa lang ng 3 minutes and 50, kayang-kaya pa yan, for sure.
And definitely still anyone's ball game at this point in time. Elijah UC bringing it down. Mukhang naka 2-3 zone defense itong Baliwag. And a steal right here. Novillo getting the ball, 3-on-2 fast break. To De Celis. Oh, he falls. Looks like he's okay. Another telegraph pass doon. UC's gonna push it. Elijah spinning.
That's a foul. Actually, I like UC when he's going downhill sa transition kasi he's smart eh. Pag malapit na siya sa 3 points, bumabagal talaga siya. Matalino tong bata. Tapos magre-read and react na lang yung gagawin niya kung anong gagawin ng defense sa kanya.
And a quick timeout is gonna be called dito by Pampanga Pradera Delta. 41-30 po ang score namin. Babalik po kami shortly after this quick timeout. And we would like to thank True Religion Brand Jeans as one of our sponsors dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. Maraming salamat po, True Religion. And on your screens right now, you can see the Baliwag Stars, the guys wearing green. So they're trying to mount a comeback dito. They're currently down by 11, Coach Air.
Yun talaga yung struggle nila eh. And I hope i-try naman nila to go man-to-man, di ba? Aaron? Kasi na lang sila eh. Nahayaan na lang nila na talagang mag 2-3 na lang sila and hope for the best. Kasi matatalino tong mga batang to eh. They know how to find the open man. They know how to drive and go for the open space sa 2-3. Kaya, syempre, automatic, mga player ng school, you up pa. Onti lang yung NC dito. Kaya, kita mo yung experience, kita mo yung wisdom when it comes to playing. Kaya I hope this time, let's see kung makakapag-decide si Coach Milo na try natin man-to-man.
And hintayin natin yung adjustment ni Coach Milo on this, pero some quick discussions lang dito nangyayari on the side. Pero Jolo Navarro is gonna be shooting 2 free throws dito. As you can see on your screens right now, the coaching staff of Pampanga Delta. Coach Jay Sierra right there, the head coach. Pero some quick stoppage happening right now. Navarro on your screens, Letran High player. And a little wet mark dito, so mukhang pupunasan muna nila. They're asking for a mop right now. On your screens, you can see Nicolas right there. Some of the players of Baliwag. Head coach Milo, assistant coach. Itong si Coach JB Bautista. Coach Milo, assistant coach for the Bulacan Cuyas. Ito naman si Coach Jay for the Pampanga Pradera Delta. Yun na nga, nadala na po yung mop. So, Jolo Navarro is gonna be shooting 2 free throws dito. His first attempt. And coach, ito ba sa Letran, until now ba, for their high school team, they still need, kailangan pa rin magpakalbo?
Yun ata yung yun ata yung culture ni Coach Allen Ricardo. I'm not sure. Ang nakita ko sa update sa seniors, kila Manalili, kahit sa seniors, dahil nga si Coach Allen Ricardo na yung head coach nun, lahat sila kalbo na din. And I'm not sure kung pati yung fill-am nila doon pa-follow ha. Let's see kung malakas si Coach Allen na mapapasunod niyo yung fill-am na yun.
And titingnan natin kung magpapakalbo lahat ng player ng Letran. Pero that player of Letran right there, itong si Jolo Navarro.
Right.
With another 2.
Tulad ng pinag-uusapan natin, Aaron, matatalino na yung mga batang yan. Sobrang experience. So pag nag-2-3 ka pa dyan, they know how to find the open space. Doon sila kakat, doon sila pa-flash. Yun yung nagiging problema ng Baliwag.
Pero coach, pag tatao-tao itong Baliwag, do you think they have the personnel para ma-handle itong team ng Pampanga?
For sure. Kahit naman wala silang personnel to handle those heights, handle those lengths, tsaka talent, effort lang talaga. Kayang-kaya nila yan. Lalo-lalo na mag-improve lang sila sa help defense nila. Kasi kahit naman naka-zone sila, kailangan pa rin may help defense eh. Ang nangyayari lang, masyado silang nagre-relax.
And ito na nga, Jolo Navarro stolen right there. Malangin losing that ball, gets it. Gives it to Penequito. The little man inside for 2, no good.
That's a good read. Sayang, hindi lang na-shoot. Bumagal siya. Para ang isipin ni Pangilinan, i-kick out kay Novillo, pero drive siya going to the shaded area. He's smart. Hindi lang talaga shumut.
Kumbaga, coach, pwede, no? If the Baliwag Stars are gonna go into a man-to-man defense, kailangan pag na-beat sila dun sa tao nila, yung rotation sila is gonna have to be on point, diba?
Oh, yeah. That's a good insight, Aaron. Kasi ang magandang term dun, jump switch eh. Pag naiwan yung kasama mo, tapos ikaw yung guy na next in line, dapat saluhin mo na yon. Tapos yung original man na kasama mo, dun naman sa defender, sa dinedepensahan mo, gets mo?
So, kumbaga, palipat-lipat sila, no?
Yes, oo. Switch lang ng switch, pero this time, jump switch. Ibig sabihin, pag na-beat lang. Pag naiwan, let's say, dun lang kayo mag-switch. Kaya I think that's the best option for Baliwag Stars right now, na mag-jump switch, man-to-man na lang sila.
So yun guys, you heard it right there, jump switch. If you're learning new things, ako din, I'm learning new things right now from Coach Air.
Yeah, yun kasi yung mga yung mga possible way to, alam mo yon, para matalo yung mga ganyang talent, mabibilis.
Pero yun na nga, a quick timeout is called dito. 44-34 po ang score natin. A 10-point lead by Pampanga Delta. Babalik po kami shortly after this quick timeout.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
And we would like to thank Winston's Cafe, the official cafe partner of SINAG Liga ASYA. Maraming salamat po, Winston's Cafe, as well as SM SOUTHMALL. Maraming salamat po, SM SOUTHMALL. Nandito po kami live in the SM Events Hall in SM SOUTHMALL. So, wherever you are po, kung malapit lang po kayo dito, please come out. Please support the SINAG Liga ASYA Junior Philippines Showcase. And right there, on your screens right now, Coach Air.
Yeah, si Coach Totoy Marquez.
And Joseph Pangilinan getting the ball. Joseph Pangilinan, the UST star. Out there to Charles Dural. Dural inside, fakes it. Short on that jumper, pero Pangilinan gets the offensive board right there.
Good effort by Pangilinan. Nakita niya, instead of hayaan niya na lang makuha ni Penequito yung rebound. Pero dahil, again, mismatch na naman sa height, sige, kaya niyang makakuha ng offensive rebound eh.
And Malangin missing on that free throw line jumper. Pangilinan gets that ball. Looking for a friend as he picked up his dribble. Back to De Leon. Ito naman si Elijah. UC. Cross court to the corner. Pangilinan spins inside. Another pass to Andre Dungo. Drives it inside. Stolen by Domingo. And here we go. Baliwag's gonna push it. Ito naman inside to Jacob Malangin. Back inside. No good by Aaron. One more try by DeCelis is good.
Good effort. Good job by DeCelis. Talagang siya lang yung nag-e-effort ng sobra-sobra dito when it comes to their offense eh.
A 10-point lead right now. 46-36 po ang score natin. 30 seconds remaining in our second period.
Yan, as you can see, walang help side talaga tong Baliwag eh. Naka 2-3 zone na nga lang sila. Hindi pa sila pumupunta sa mga area na kailangan dun sila pumunta kapag yung bola nasa isang side na.
And parang nananotice ko dito, Coach, there's always an open player on the part of Pampanga
Right,
dito.
kasi yung yung help side nila walang tumatao. Let's say na nasa right side yung bola. Dapat kung sino man yung nasa left side na guard sa 2-3, kailangan pumunta ka na sa gitna para ma-prevent natin yung mga cutter. Yun yung nagiging problema nila.
Last shot time dito para sa Baliwag. 7 seconds left. They give it to Novillo.
He can make that.
Novillo's gonna work on UC. Novillo for 3, no good.
That's a good try.
And that marks the end of our first half. Ang score po natin, 46-36. A 10-point lead by the Pampanga Pradera Delta. Let's check out some of the second quarter highlights dito. This is Domingo inside, hanging in the air, finishing that home, the athletic forward from Baliwag. Ito naman, a forward pass right there. De Leon. Out to De La Cruz. Back to Danan. Good passing on the part of Pampanga. Ito naman si Jacob Malangin. Out to Ashton Novillo. Corner splash right there. You can see him right there. Ito naman si Andre Dungo crossing over, spinning. Inside with the Euro step. Smooth move by the De La Salle Green Archer. Andre Dungo. And yun na nga, our score po, 46-36. A 10-point lead by the Pampanga Delta Pradera. That marks the end of our first half. So babalik po kami shortly after this halftime break.
What is up mga kasinag? It is the Chief Enzo Galarosa at andirito po tayo for the SLA Inspire SINAG Liga ASYA Basketball Clinic in partnership with Leap Basketball PH. Liga na!
Let's go, ready, stretching.
Unang-una, talagang mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Tapos pangalawa na lang din yung pagde-develop sa kanila kasi makuha lang natin sila na mag-enjoy, maglaro ng basketball hanggang sa pagtanda. Mission success na tayo doon. Kaya by doing this, talagang grateful kami sa SLA family na talagang nagdala sila ng 75 or plus na mga bata para mag-enjoy at matuto.
Ang dami nag-i-invite sa atin para sa ganitong basketball clinic sa mga lugar-lugar kung saan pupunta ang SINAG Liga ASYA para sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong barangay. SINAG Liga ASYA, asahan niyo po kami na tutulong kami, pati po ang SLA Legend. Abangan niyo mamaya yan, maglalaro sila. Kaya napakaswerte natin kasi General Ronald Lee, kahit na very busy, naisip niya itong basketball clinic na to para sa Bawang, La Union. Para po sa lahat ng makapanood nito, sakay na para sa SINAG Liga ASYA.
Dapat hindi matapos dito ngayon. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung programa natin. Yan ang pinakamaganda dyan. Siyempre, sa tulong ni General Lee, mga ganitong mga basketball clinic at tulong ng SLA at ng LIP, ituloy natin ang programa para sa mga kabataan.
Two claps! Two claps! Okay, go, water break.
Thank you kay General Lee and sa mga tao na nag-organize ng event na to. I believe na madami pang magiging kasunod to, hindi lang dito sa Bawang, La Union, kundi sa buong parte ng Pilipinas. Kaya please keep on supporting SINAG Liga ASYA and Leap Basketball PH para malay nyo next time, dyan naman kami sa mga lugar nyo.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan na po magtatapos ang ating SINAG Liga ASYA Inspire Basketball Clinic in collaboration with Leap Basketball PH. Tutok lang po kayo kung saan kami susunod nang magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan. Once again, ako po si Enzo Galarosa of SINAG Liga ASYA. We are one.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
What is up mga kasinag? It is the Chief Enzo Galarosa at andirito po tayo for the SLA Inspire SINAG Liga ASYA Basketball Clinic in partnership with Leap Basketball PH. Liga na!
Let's go, ready, stretching.
Unang-una, talagang mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Tapos pangalawa na lang din yung pagde-develop sa kanila kasi makuha lang natin sila na mag-enjoy, maglaro ng basketball hanggang sa pagtanda. Mission success na tayo doon. Kaya by doing this, talagang grateful kami sa SLA family na talagang nagdala sila ng 75 or plus na mga bata para mag-enjoy at matuto.
Ang dami nag-i-invite sa atin para sa ganitong basketball clinic sa mga lugar-lugar kung saan pupunta ang SINAG Liga Asya para sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong barangay. SINAG Liga Asya, asahan niyo po kami na tutulong kami, pati po ang SLA Legend. Abangan niyo mamaya yan, maglalaro sila. Kaya napakaswerte natin kasi General Ronald Lee, kahit na very busy, naisip niya itong basketball clinic na to para sa Bawang, La Union. Para po sa lahat ng makapanood nito, sakay na para sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Dapat hindi matapos dito ngayon. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung programa natin. Yan ang pinakamaganda dyan. Siyempre, sa tulong ni General Lee, mga ganitong mga basketball clinic at tulong ng SLA at ng LEAP, ituloy natin ang programa para sa mga kabataan.
Two claps! Two claps! Okay, go, water break.
Thank you kay General Lee and sa mga tao na nag-organize ng event na to. I believe na madami pang magiging kasunod to, hindi lang dito sa Bawang, La Union, kundi sa buong parte ng Pilipinas. Kaya please keep on supporting SINAG Liga Asya and Leap Basketball PH para malay nyo next time, dyan naman kami sa mga lugar nyo.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan na po magtatapos ang ating SINAG Liga ASYA Inspire Basketball Clinic in collaboration with Leap Basketball PH. Tutok lang po kayo kung saan kami susunod nang magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan. Once again, ako po si Enzo Galarosa of SINAG Liga ASYA. We are one.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Good afternoon mga kasinag. Before we continue to the second half of our game, we are here today with Coach JV Bautista for Baliwag Stars and Coach Pet Duyag for Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. So first question to you, Coach. Paano po kayo nakakapag-training or prepare despite the busy schedule ng mga players nyo? And paano rin po kayo nagbe-build ng chemistry on court?
Yun nga, medyo nagkakaproblema kasi sa training dahil nga maraming liga yung mga players din. And then medyo busy talaga sila dahil yung preparation nila sa liga na to, hindi sila nakukumpleto. Pero hindi naman dahilan yung para hindi na ma-execute yung mga pinapagawa ni Coach Milo. At yung chemistry naman, meron naman talagang chemistry. Ang problema lang, hindi makumpleto talaga sa practice.
Ngayon po, I'm giving you the opportunity to greet and thank anyone you would like.
Gusto ko pong pasalamatan unang-una si Mayor Ferdy Estrella, ang kanyang may bahay na si Mayora Joana Estrella, pati na rin po ang ilang mami na si Mayora Sonia Estrella. At gusto ko pong batiin yung Bautista family, Santiago family, yung wife ko na si Davey, at yung dalawa kong anak, Gio and Bian, pati na rin po lahat ng sumusuporta sa Baliwag Stars. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Now, for you, Coach Pet, same question po. Paano nyo po nabibuild ang team chemistry despite your players? Madami po sa kanila naglalaro for other leagues.
Yung sa amin naman po kasi pagka kulang yung pinagsasama namin, ma'am. So, yung pong sistema, isa lang naman po kasi kung ano po yung pinapa-adapt ni Gob, yun lang po yung ina-adapt namin. Siguro, ang ganda lang po namin, meron kaming school base, so na-minimix namin. Kung ano lang po din kasi yung preparation ng isa, yun lang po yung namin. Saka ang goal naman po ng Pampanga team namin is uunahin namin yung depensa. Saka matagal na po rin po magkakasama yan. Last year magkakasama na rin po. So hindi na po gaanong nahihirapan sila Coach Jay kami sa pagtuturo sa kanila sa actual game.
Ngayon po, Coach, I'm giving you the opportunity para magpasalamat at mag-greet po.
Yun po, nagpapasalamat po kami sa buting gobernador po namin, si Gob Delta po, kay Vice Gob, nanay po, kay Ma'am Maylin, kay Mayora Esme po, at saka binabati ko rin po sina Mayor Philip Nagit, Vice Mayor JBM po, sa walang sawang suporta sa basketball ng Pampanga. Sa tingin ko po, ito yung mga future PBA player namin. Thank you po.
And that is it for our halftime interview. I'm turning it back to you, Coach Ernest and Aaron.
And you heard it right there from the assistant coaches. Preparation is key. 46-36 po ang score natin. Pampanga Delta Pradera currently up right now, 10 points. Pero slowly but surely, the Baliwag Stars getting their momentum and in that first half. So a 10-point lead na lang sila, Coach. What do they need to do dito para makahabol sila to get that comeback?
Right, actually, they need to communicate talaga defensively kasi medyo nakikita natin doon nga sa help side part ng depensa nila, medyo nagkakaroon talaga ng miscommunication na Aaron. Kailangan nila pagtrabahuan na to be vigilant, to be, attentive sa mga nangyayari sa loob ng court para makahabol sila. Lalo-lalo na when it comes to boxing out. Kasi automatic na Pampanga Delta having a lineup na sobrang tatangkad, dapat automatic na sa game plan nila Coach Milo yan na talagang kailangan yung mga bigs box out para makakuha sila ng rebound kasi ang daming second chance points ng Pradera talaga.
And yun na nga, communication is gonna be key for this Baliwag Stars team as they're going up against this powerhouse Pampanga Delta team. Pero let's take a look at some of the halftime highlights dito. Dungo out there to De La Cruz, catch and shoot right wing, splashing it there. De La Cruz with a three-pointer. Ito naman si Malangin out to Novilio for a three-pointer of his own right there from the corner. And Pangilinan out to Charles Dural, big-to-big action to Jolo Navarro right there. The big man from Letran finishing it home. Let's take a look at some of the halftime stats dito.
Right. Actually, magpo-focus ako sa Baliwag Stars dito kasi pretty much automatic na dapat sa Delta talaga na ganyan kaganda yung stats nila. Pero we can see na Baliwag Stars, again, fast break point, sobrang baba. Bakit? Kasi partida na, hindi na nga sila nakakadepensa ng maayos sa half court. Hindi pa sila nagkakaroon ng chance na talagang makakuha ng rebound, na magkakaroon sila ng opportunity na magkaroon ng early offense. Kaya ang baba ng fast break points nila. And at the same time, yung Pradera naman, nagkakaroon ng madaming turnovers yung Baliwag and natatranslate nila into a score.
And yun na nga, Baliwag Stars gonna have a lot to clean up in this game, especially those fast break points. Pero let's take a look at the key guy in the first half for Pampanga. Itong si Jolo Navarro from Letran NCAA High School right there.
Oh, that's what you would expect talaga coming from an NCAA champion. And I'm hoping na talagang mas ma-utilize pa nila si Jolo lalo. Kasi knowing him, complete package talaga siya. So we can see here sa leading scorer, we have Navarro with 13, Dungo with 10, Danan with 6, and Pangilinan with 5. Sa Baliwag naman, medyo again, yan talaga problema nila Aaron no? Yung bench points nila. Si Ashton lang yung may 14, si Aaron with 9, si RZ with 3, and si Fenekito with 3. Kung makikita natin, wala si Jacob, no? Si Malangin. Kaya nga kinausap ko siya nung halftime kanina na magpakita ka. Magandang kalaban niyang Pampanga, di ba Aaron?
And I'm sure Malangin is gonna look to step up in this second half because they're gonna need a lot of production from him. Mas lalo na ang ganda ng pinakita niya versus the Hustle Rising Suns in their previous game. Pero ito na nga, Novilio with the ball right here. Ashton from Arellano being hounded right there. Gives it to Jacob Malangin, the missing man in the first half.
That's a good
out
pass.
To Aaron Deselis, misses that nice reverse right there.
Good patience coming from Jacob. Nag-react muna siya kung anong gagawin ng big. Late recovery, pinasa niya ng maganda, sayang lang.
And mukhang naka 2-3 zone defense pa rin itong Baliwag. Pero let's see kung maganda ang rotations nila. And a quick score right here by Pampanga inside to Jolo Navarro. Easy two-pointer.
Yeah, someone has to deny the bigs talaga coming dun sa shaded area kasi mahirap talaga pag nakapasok eh. Either mabibigyan pag nag-flash or nag-seal or makakakuha ng easy rebound for a second chance point.
Ashton being hounded by Elijah. He gets through, kicks it. Fenekito,
good
corner, 3
kick
right there, no good. And ito na nga, open court action by Dungo. Back to Dungo right there with a give and go. De Leon to Dungo.
Yeah, that's a smart play coming from De Leon. And ayan na naman. Bad decision, bad communication when it comes to defending.
Let's take a look at this lakas play of the quarter brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop. De Leon to Dungo on that play, extending their lead to 14 points dito. 50-36 na po ang score natin. Timeout by the Baliwag Stars.
Yeah, kakakausap lang natin, 'di ba? Sayang talaga, sayang yung mga communication nila doon when it comes to going back sa defense early.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
And we're back after that quick timeout in this third period by Baliwag. This is Jacob Malangin driving inside. And a quick timeout, no, Coach? 8 minutes and 45 remaining pa lang. Nag-timeout agad itong si Coach Milo.
Oo, yung communication talaga kasi yung yung nawawala sa kanila eh. And I'm happy na talagang si Jacob ngayong third quarter, he's stepping up sa challenge talaga. Di niya dapat babyhin yung mga yan. Kasi they're playing at the same league lang. Yun lang. That's a bad decision.
Pangilinan just snatching that ball from Jacob. Ito na, Dungo, pull up 3 in transition right there. And another error done. UC just steals it. Alley-oop to Jolo. Navarro inside for 2. No good. Second serving, it's good. Basket and 1.
Good footwork. Tapos, hindi sumut yung tira niya. Hindi siya gumive up. Na-rebound niya ulit dahil sa tangkad niya. And the problema, not boxing out na naman.
Ito na nga, take this out. The alley-oop to Navarro. Lakas grab of the quarter brought to you by True Religion Brand Jeans. Jolo Navarro, second serving is good right there. And Navarro finishing that 3-point play off with a free throw. Labas muna dito si Aaron Deseles and papasok muna dito si number 14, Dexter Alapar, the big man.
Yeah, I know Dexter. Sobrang hardworking na athlete niyan. Kaya I hope magkaroon siya ng opportunity na mag-make ng difference dito sa game na to.
Novilio, baseline attack inside.
Wow,
what a
good
tough
job.
move. In traffic right there, itong si Ashton Novilio.
Yeah, that's a good
that.
action coming from Ashton. Binibaby kasi sila eh.
And 56-38 na po ang score natin. Lumulobo na po dito ang lamang ng Pampanga Pradera Delta. Kick De Leon, left corner. Gives it back to Navarro for 2, overcooks it.
Yeah, again, miscommunication coming from the defense side talaga. Walang drop down, walang help side. Kailangan talaga nila pag-usapan yan kahit as player to player na lang.
And until now, Coach, we have not seen itong Baliwag Stars going into a man-to-man defense.
Oo.
So titingnan talaga natin if mag-a-adjust because currently this 2-3 zone is not working for them. And ito na nga, if Pangilinan makes this next free throw, it's gonna be their biggest lead of the game up to 20, and he does. So 58-38 na po ang score natin. 7 minutes and 30 remaining dito sa third quarter natin. This is Jacob Malangin with a pick from Dex. Dexter offers the pick to Ashton. Novilio just pulls it from 3 right there. No good. Malangin, offensive board. Looking
job
for a
by
friend
Jacob.
dito. Pick again by Dexter.
That's his shot. Sayang, hindi niya tinuloy.
Nice
Good
roll
job.
right there by Alapar.
Good decision by Dexter. Not giving up on the play. Rolling pa rin kahit medyo malayo na sa spot si Jacob. Kaya nakakuha siya ng madaling tira doon.
And an 18-point lead right now by Pampanga Pradera Delta. Andre Dungo with a pick from Navarro. Doesn't take it. Navarro pops out. Drives it inside. Top floater right there.
Good
in traffic.
job. Sayang.
Pangilinan spins, kicks. UC right wing. Hits all boards. Pero De Leon gets the board. One more try. Pangilinan for 3. No good once again.
Good job.
Alapar gets it. Gives it. Domingo is fouled on the catch.
Yeah, I'm happy na talagang nung pumasok si Dexter, nag-iba eh. Nag-iba yung flow nila defensively. Bakit? Kasi nakikipag-usap siya sa mga players niya. Dapat dito ka, dapat diyan ka. Kaya we can see yung resulta eh. Good job by Dexter.
And Baliwag really needs to talk things over dito. They need to clean a lot of things up. This is Jacob Malangin with a pick from Alapar. Back to Dexter. Cross court, Nicolas. Back to Domingo. Inside with a Euro. Drop
Good
down.
job.
Dexter for 2. No good. Rebound po ito ni Jolo Navarro, and Elijah UC is gonna push the pace dito. Out. Pangilinan. De Leon. Inside to Jolo Navarro against Dexter. He just takes the free throw line jumper. No good dun.
Good D. Yan na. Nagkakaroon na sila ng kumpiyansa when defending.
Ashton.
Yeah, that's a foul.
Novilio is fouled right there.
Yeah, good decision by Ashton. Nakita niya, again, when someone is defending transition na nakatayo lang sa shaded area, pretty much kailangan kung mas matangkad ka or mas malakas ka sa defender, liparan mo talaga dapat.
And yun talaga kailangan gawin dito ng Baliwag, no? Put pressure on Pampanga in that transition attack. Yung
Right,
ginawa ni
oo.
Novilio on that last play.
Oo, totoo. Lalo-lalo na ang opposite naman nun, pag Pampanga naman yung tumatakbo, kailangan mabilis sila sa safety nila.
Pero Novilio missing on that first free throw attempt. This guy's a standout from Arellano. Itong si Ashton Novilio.
Yeah, he's good. Actually, share ko lang nung sila yung kalaban namin. Halos kalahati ng scouting report ko about sa kanya lang eh. He's very good. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya kanina, together with Jacob na magpakita sila, galingan nila. Huwag silang ma-threaten or ma-intimidate.
Pero De Leon just all alone in that corner once again.
Yeah, that's a good 5-out play. That's a good decision coming from Dungo.
Ito na nga, this is Ashton, gives it to Dexter Alapar. Back to Jacob, Malangin with a pick right there. Malangin gives it to his big man, it's stolen. And here we go, De Leon, open court once again.
Yeah, that's a good D. Sa side ng Pampanga, hina-hard show nila si Jacob kasi alam nila pag nagkaroon ng space, he can shoot, he can drive.
And Malangin dumped down inside Domingo, but he steps out of bounds right in front of the referee.
Actually, that's a bad pass. May open space na si Malangin doon to take a floater.
Check this out, instant replay. Elijah Yusi with the lakas moment of the quarter. Brought to you by CDO, food that brings you home. De Leon finishing that play right there. Elijah Yusi, right wing, 3, in and out.
Good box out by Dexter.
And here we go in transition. Novilio with a jelly blocked right there by Elijah Yusi. And Yusi pushing it here in transition out to Danan for 2, short.
Good job by Yusi.
Yusi just pulls it out for a 3-pointer of his own.
Grabe, scattered all over the floor tong si Yusi. Coming from a block, napaka-unselfish niya. Pwede niya pang ipasa. He did. Nung nawala, kunuha niya yung rebound, resulting in a 3.
Marcelo with a baseline J, no good on that play. De Leon pushing the pace once again. Elijah Yusi.
Good effort coming from Yusi.
And once again, another quick timeout is called dito. 68-40 na po ang score natin. Back to 18 points ang lamang. Check out this instant replay. De Leon forward pass to Elijah Yusi with an inside hand finish with the left hand right there. Elijah Yusi finishing that play home. And once again, 68-40 po ang score natin. A quick timeout is called dito. So babalik po kami shortly for more SINAG Liga action.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
And take a look at your screens right there. That's Elijah Yusi, one of the main gunners nitong Pampanga Delta, coach.
Oo, actually, nagkaroon siya ng magandang play against the Pelicans last time. He had 18 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Actually, ang ganda kasi parang pareho lang sila ng stats ni Jacob a while ago, eh, no?
And itong si Elijah Yusi, an NU standout, National University. You can see him showcasing the talents here. And Ashton Novilio gives it to Jacob Malangin with a pick from Dexter Alapar. Malangin just being hounded right there. Kicks it, Marcelo, left. Open right there for the corner 3.
Wow, good shot coming from Marcelo. Kailangan nila yan kasi nakikita nila medyo tamad lumose out yung mga bigs ng Pampanga. Baka this time, magkaroon sila ng opportunity to make those threes pero bigs yung gagamit.
De Leon inside, driving, floating, no good. Marcelo
good
gets
job.
the board.
Go, run the floor.
And ito na nga, Novilio forward pass to Jacob
Finally.
Malangin.
Finally, Malangin contributing to the point.
And finally, open court transition. An easy bucket dito para sa Baliwag. Elijah Yusi inside to Charles Dural. This is De La Cruz for 3.
Good D.
Long
Go, run the floor again.
Domingo forward pass.
He can make that. Shooter yan.
Novilio.
Sayang.
Pero Domingo with a
good
putback attempt.
effort. Good job by Domingo. And that's the beauty of transition na kahit alam mong tres ka, 4 and 5 ka, bumaba ka pa din kasi you'll never know na pwede kang magkaroon ng opportunity na makakuha ng rebound coming from an early offense. Miscommunication again. That's bad. Yeah, kaya nagagalit si Domingo eh. Kasi dapat si Malangin yung kukuha sa wing.
And Dural with the big-to-big action right there. Dural to Danan on that play. This is Malangin with a pick by Alapar. Pero he's being hounded right there by De La Cruz. And kita mo talaga yung defense itong ni De La Cruz kay Malangin.
Tagging foul on number 49,
Talagang tinutulak siya. He's hounding him right there, not letting him get anywhere on that play. Pero let's check out this quick replay. Dural looking for his big inside to Danan. High-low action dun. Big man connection. Malangin once again being hounded by De La Cruz. Nowhere to go on that play. Marcelo thinks about it, drives it inside,
Good
dump down to
pass.
Dexter
Wow.
Alapar and one.
Good job by Dexter.
And a good find right there by Stephen
Yes,
Marcelo.
good find by Marcelo. Talagang kinuha niya lang yung attention ng defender ni Dexter and Dexter being ready sa extra pass. Good decision.
Check this out. Marcelo driving inside, dumps it down to his big man, Dexter Alapar, and one bucket right there.
Yeah, I really like yung decision ni Coach Milo dito na ipasok si Dexter. Pretty much siya yung naging catalyst ng pagiging maganda ng third quarter nila this time, no, Aaron?
And ito na nga, Alapar misses that free throw though.
Yun lang.
And kita mo dito, linabas muna itong si Stephen Marcelo. Binalik nila si Aaron De Celis. So let's see kung ano magiging adjustment dito ng Pampanga.
Yeah, kailangan ma-match ni De Celis yung effort na ginawa ni Marcelo. Kasi sobrang, simula nung sila yung nasa loob, nagkaroon ng glimpse of hope tong Baliwag.
And Alapar with a positive impact once again. Here we go. Novilio back to Jacob. Malangin for
Good
two.
shot. Good find by Ashton.
And slowly but surely, a 19-point lead dito by Pampanga Pradera Delta. 70-51 po ang score natin. 1 minute and 30 remaining.
Oo, that's their game talaga. Yan, kahit big, he needs to help out.
But De La Cruz misses the wide open baseline. Jadon once again, Domingo's pushing it. And Domingo open court, hanging in the air. Pero
Good
Dexter
job by
once again,
Dexter.
and one bucket right there by Dexter Alapar.
Dexter, he's having the time of his life. Sobrang ganda ng pinapakita niya this third quarter.
Check this out, Domingo missing, but the lakas grab of the quarter brought to you by True Religion brand jeans. Alapar with a putback. Flex on him, young man.
Wow, good effort coming from Dexter.
And the big boy right here, Dexter Alapar, with a positive impact in this third period.
Yeah, he's like UC. Scattered din siya sa floor. Offensively, defensively, andyan siya to help the team.
And ito na nga, ilalabas muna itong si Roe Domingo, and Nicolas, the big man shooter, enters the game. So De Leon gonna be bringing it down dito para sa Delta. This is Joseph Pangilinan, hands it off to Andre Dungo. Dungo against Novilio. With a pick from Jolo Navarro. Out to Elijah Hughes, he's just too open on that left wing. Pero he misses on that shot. Here comes Ashton Novilio. Novilio against De Leon.
Good find.
Malangin calling for a clear out. Malangin just pulls it from three. Short and long on that play.
Wow,
But
good
Alapar,
effort.
he just snatches it
Good
from
job,
Navarro on that
Dexter.
play.
Wow.
Grabe yung pinapakita nitong si Dexter Alapar in this third quarter.
Oo, actually yan talaga yung ginagawa niya beda days pa lang nila ni Moore. Siya talaga yung grabe yung effort, grabe yung yan. Yun lang. Again, miscommunication na naman sa defense, di ba, Aaron?
But there was a hand on his face on that play. Nicolas right in front of him, still
sumut lang
making that
talaga.
shot. What a tough shot doon para kay Dungo. Last shot time, 9 seconds left on the shot clock. Malangin turns it over, forward pass to UC. Excuse me, no, this is Navarro inside, taps it home. And that signals the end of our third quarter. 75-56 po ang score natin. It's still a 19-point lead dito by Pampanga Pradera Delta. Check this out, the last second turnover dito. The lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by SM SOUTHMALL. Jolo Navarro finishing that assist play from Andre Dungo on that play. And extending their lead to 19 points. Babalik po kami shortly for more fourth quarter action in SINAG Liga Asya. And check this out on your screens right now. It's Jacob Malangin, the lefty guard for the Baliwag Stars right there. And coach, let's take a look at his stats in their last game versus Hustle.
Right, like what we were saying a while ago, Aaron, halos same stats lang sila ni Ison. Na maganda yung nilaro. Let's see kung magiging... but right now, he has 6 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists. Again, tulad ng pinag-uusapan natin, andun talaga yung hindi niya napakita yung ganda ng nilaro niya last time no?
And let's take it over muna to Francine for a quick update on Jacob Malangin.
Coach Ernest and Aaron, I had a talk with Jacob Malangin before the start of the second half and I asked him about his performance since their last game where he scored 20 points for his team. But this game, it seems like he has not yet been activated. As of the moment, he's only scored 6 points and it's already the last quarter. I asked him kanina regarding his performance if he feels under pressure to perform. And he said, gagawin pa rin daw niya ang lahat para manalo at lalaban lang despite his lack of consistency as of the moment. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Aaron.
And yun na nga yung hinihintay natin from Jacob Malangin is for him to turn on just like last game. Not quite firing just yet in our game ngayon. Pero hihintayin natin as we still have 9 minutes and 14 seconds remaining dito sa fourth quarter natin.
And we know him na talagang nag-activate nga tulad ng sinabi ni Francine sa report niya na pag fourth quarter, mas gumagaling talaga yan si Jacob. Kaya let's see. Good stop.
A block right there by Domingo Navarro, pero Navarro finishes the second serving once again. And Penequito is in the game right now. Para sa Baliwag, gives it to Ashton Novillo inside. Novillo pulls
it. That's his favorite.
No good right there. Aaron DeCelis tips it out though. And 80-58 po ang score natin ngayon. It's now a 22-point lead. So coach, with about 8 minutes and 42 seconds remaining, what are the chances nitong Baliwag Stars to come back in this game and even come up with a victory pa?
Yeah, tulad yung nangyari. Talagang kailangan lang nila mag-effort collectively. Ang nangyari kasi medyo, again, miscommunication. Onti lang yung nag-e-effort. Kaya kailangan, they need to be consistent na this time. Last quarter naman na all out na dapat sila.
And all out dapat talaga itong Baliwag. They're gonna have to do their last push dito as UC gets that ball for Pampanga. Just spinning right there with a jumper. What? Oh, in and out. Put back attempt, no good. Pangilinan tries one more time, short.
Yeah, same thing happened na naman. Talagang walang backs out coming from Baliwag.
And Domingo pulls it out. He kicks it to Aaron DeCelis, spinning inside. Another fake right there.
Yeah, that's a foul.
And a good aggressive play done on the post for Aaron DeCelis. 20-point lead right now by Pampanga Delta, Pradera. 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining here in our fourth and final period. Aaron DeCelis gonna be shooting 2 free throws dito. And DeCelis' first attempt is no good. And it seems like binigyan mo na dito ng quick breather itong si Jacob Malangin. So I'm sure na once binalik na siya dito, ito na yung magiging last push nitong Baliwag.
I hope. Lalo na ipagsabay pa sila ni Dexter kasi maganda yung pinapakita ni Alapar ngayon.
And dito na nga, De Leon to the left to Joseph Pangilinan. Back to Elijah UC. Corner, De Leon. 2 open once again.
Yeah, that's their 5-out play.
Pero it's a miss right there. Rebound by Aaron. Gives it to Ashton. Penequito steps out of bounds on that play. And another unlucky break dito para sa Baliwag Stars.
Yeah, that's funny lang na nagagawa pang tumawa ni Penequito coming from a game na 20 yung tambak nila, di ba? He needs to step up his game.
Pangilinan from the top of the key. No good. Here comes Penequito. Forward pass.
Yeah,
Novillo.
good pass.
Easy 2 right there. And ito na nga, Dungo gets the ball. He says it's my turn. Siya naman gagawa. Dungo against Penequito. That's a mismatch right there. Pero he gives it muna to De Leon. Navarro hands it off to Andre. Dungo working. Takes the 3 right there. And once
good
again.
shot.
Right wing tray by Andre Dungo.
Yeah, and that's a smart play coming from Navarro. Bakit? Kasi basa na yung 5-out nila. So instead of giving a flex screen kay De Leon, sinandoff niya na lang kay Dungo, resulting in a 3.
Ashton inside, kicks it, Penequito. Nowhere to go. Back to Aaron Deselis. Deselis floats it and gets it right there.
Good job. Good patience coming from a pasa sa shaded area. Talagang naghintay siya kung ano gagawin ng big na defender niya.
Elijah UC right wing 3. It's on the money right there for UC.
Yeah, this kid is good. Talagang matalino siya. Pag intay lang siya, patient lang siya, tahimik lang yung game niya.
Ito na nga, Ashton Novilio.
Good
Cross
pass.
court, Peniquito drives it inside. Another pass to Domingo for 2. Basket
Good
and
shot.
1. And they cut it down to a 20-point lead dito. 86-66 po ang score natin. 5 minutes and 52 remaining. And linabas na nga dito si Peniquito. Back in the game is Jacob Malangin. Roe Domingo gonna be shooting the bonus free throw right here. The lefty Domingo attempt is no good. Rebound by Jolo Navarro. In Pangilinan, giving it muna dito kay Andre Dungo. Once again, 2-3 zone for the Baliwag Stars. Navarro driving inside. Navarro, tough move. And he gets fouled.
Yeah, that's a good job. Nakita niya, again, nagsasag off na naman. Naka-drop coverage lang sa kanya. Knowing him, he can drive down the lane with finesse, with strength. Kaya confident talaga siya sa galaw niya na yun.
At talagang hirap itong Baliwag in this game. Yung mga inside drives ng Pampanga, Pradera, Delta, they can't control it. And then resulting in those open three-pointers naman na puro shooter itong Pampanga, di ba?
Right, oo. Kasi pag, again, automatic lang yan eh. Pag 2-3 zone talaga, once na mag-collapse yung defense sa'yo, yung mga wing talaga yung may libre.
And once again, another
Good
nice pass
D.
zone, pero good defense on that play. Here comes Novilio, open court pass.
Sayang.
Malangin just couldn't handle that. And back into the ball game, it's Dexter Alapar. So yun na nga, coach, yung binanggit mo kanina, pinagsasabay na dito si Malangin, Novilio, and Dexter Alapar.
Right. Kailangan nila mag-effort dyan, knowing na yung lineup nila ngayon lahat scorer. Kaya I hope mag-work sila defensively kasi kayang-kaya naman nila eh.
And Dungo, corner 3, hits the side of the board.
Oh, traveling.
And he did a quick hop before he took that shot. So, very obvious travel doon para kay Danan. Excuse me, that's Fernandez, number 55. Here comes Jacob Malangin. This is Nicolas. He's a shooter. But that's long right there. Domingo gets that ball. Back to Nicolas with a reverse.
Wow. Good job coming from Nicolas. Kailangan yan. Actually, hindi lang si Malangin yung nagkakaroon ng hard time na makapag-contribute offensively dito eh. Si RZ din.
And here comes Joseph Pangilinan. Back to Andre. He wants to pull that 3. But he takes it inside. Drives it with a reverse. What a move right there by Dungo. Ashton gives it to Nicolas. And siya naman muna magbababa ng bola. But he gives it back to Jacob Malangin. Malangin driving inside. Malangin for 2.
Nice. That's his game.
A quick slash right there by Malangin.
Oo, ganyan talaga.
And dito na nga, 89-17 ang score. It's still a 19-point lead. 4 minutes remaining dito sa fourth quarter.
Yeah, same play. 5 out.
Fernandez hands it off to Elijah. Drives baseline. Elijah UC finger roll. No good. Dexter gets the boards. And here we go. Malangin against Navarro. Oh, a big block
Good
right there.
Block. Good effort by Jolo. Not giving up on the play.
And here we go.
That's a foul.
What a block right there by Jolo Navarro. Meeting him
job.
up top.
I was expecting na may shoot na ni Jacob yun knowing how high of a flyer he is eh.
Take a look at that. Lakas block of the quarter brought to you by 0107 Management Group Incorporated. Navarro meeting Malangin up top. Return to sender doon para kay Jolo Navarro.
Yeah.
And ito na nga, linabas muna dito si Roe Domingo. Binalik dito si, they put in number 19. Itong si Paltao from the Baliwag Stars. So Danan and De La Cruz entering the game. Jolo Navarro exits the game as well as Elijah Yusi. Excuse me, no. Navarro's in the game.
Yeah, they just need to make a few stops here. Tapos magkaroon ng magandang run. Starting with that, sayang.
Novilio misses the deep three-pointer right there.
Kailangan lang nila mag-effort. Makakahabol pa sila. Mahaba pa tong 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Navarro thinking to attack but he gives it to the main gunner in Dungo. Dungo slowing it down, back to Jolo. Navarro, jab step drive inside with a finger roll, athletic move.
Good job coming from, again, Jolo. Yan na naman. Binigyan na naman siya ng open space para makadrive. Kaya dali lang ng buhay niya eh.
Talagang no resistance whatsoever on that play. Let's take a look at this right here. Navarro jab step. The lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Converge. Jolo Navarro with an and one right there. Navarro misses the free throw, pero Danan gets the board. Unacceptable right there after giving up an and one.
Yeah, siguro by this point, they just need to finish this game graciously. Kailangan na nila tapusin ng maayos. Work on their, alam mo yun, yung mga mishaps, mga miscommunication, mga mali na nagawa nila. Para at least next game, makabawi sila.
Dungo once again inside. Dexter gets it. Forward pass.
That's a bad pass.
So na nga, Jolo gets it. Navarro crossing over. Cross-court pass. Andre Dungo. Yes,
wow,
sir!
Good job.
And talagang nakikita nyo, guys, why this guy is heading to DLSU. Itong si Andre Dungo.
Right. He's very good talaga. Talagang produkto yan ng UST. We all know how good Coach Manu is sa pagde-develop ng mga players. Kaya talagang nakukuha na ni Dungo yung kumpiyansa niya. Grabe yung ginawa niya last season sa UAAP. Kaya I'm happy na may another product na naman.
Pero yun na nga, 96-73 ang score. It's a 23-point lead for the Pampanga Pradera Delta. 1 minute and 53 remaining. That's Paltao with a 3.
Good job. Good shot. Yeah, it's pretty much over. Pinasok na nila yung mga bench warmer nila. And this is important din, Aaron. Bakit? Kasi kailangan na itong mga itong mga second stringer, third stringer na makakuha ng kumpiyansa, lalo na sa mga ganitong klaseng opponents.
Talagang gonna be a good experience playing against
totoo.
sila Dungo, diba? UC. De La Cruz tries his hand at a 3. Marcelo gets that board. And at this time, no, Coach, mukhang this is a done deal na kasi 20-point lead with about a minute and 20 remaining. A 3-point try right there by Mendoza, no good. And here comes Navarro. Watch out!
Good job.
With a jam right there, that's Jolo Navarro. Pero yun na nga, 22-point lead naman dito. So they're just, as you said kanina, they're just gonna try to finish this game.
Good shot by Dexter, not giving up.
And Alapar showing us the complete arsenal done with a 3-pointer. Pero yun na nga, Coach, in this game, ang dami talagang error ng Baliwag.
Totoo.
They just didn't come to play today, not like their last game against the Hustle Rising Stars.
Yes.
And Andre Dungo up top against Fenequito. Isolated right here, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Dungo inside, drops it to Fernandez for 2. And Fenequito is just gonna let that ball roll. 32 seconds left in our game. Fenequito gives it, Dexter. Another 3-point try by Alapar, no good. And De La Cruz gives it. Ito na nga. And Dungo just gonna pull it out. Mukhang ubusan na nila yung clock dito. 14 seconds left dito. So the game is a done deal. 100-79 po ang score natin. Pampanga, Pradera Delta triumphant in this game. Whole game they were in full control. Talagang they were in the driver's seat. Dominating itong Baliwag Stars. Not coming out just like their last game against the Hustle Rising Suns. So a very lackluster game for their Stars ngayon. Hindi talaga kinaya, but at the end of the day, nonetheless, still a good effort dito para sa Baliwag Stars. Really, the players who came out to play today, Coach, no, itong si Dungo, itong si Navarro, UC. Complete package right here. Once again, 100-79 po ang score natin. Pampanga Delta Pradera just dominating this game. And yun na nga, Coach, as I mentioned a while ago, the stars coming out to play in this game for Pampanga Delta. UC, Navarro, Dungo, they just all came out.
Oo, yun talaga may expect natin. Talagang pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Aaron, na knowing Pampanga, knowing Gov, talagang hindi yan kukuha ng hindi, alam mo yun, solid talaga. Kaya, again, yan yung may expect natin sila, sa kanila, and they did a great job.
And before all of that, let's turn it over muna to Francine Capili for our CDO Best Player of the Game.
We are here with our CDO Best Player of the Game, Jolo Navarro from Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park with 27 points, 13 rebounds, 3 steals, and 2 assists. First of all, congrats, Jolo, on a double-double performance. You managed to keep a comfortable league. Paano nyo ito nagawa kahit naging matagal rin ang pahinga nyo from your last game and kulang kayo sa players?
Siguro yung iba sa amin, matagal na kami magkakasama, syempre. Alam namin yung laro ng bawat isa, kaya yun. Parang nadala namin kahit matagal kaming nagpahinga.
Madaming teams ang pinaghandaan talaga kayo for this league. Is there any pressure on you and your team?
Wala naman siguro kasi syempre, di naman kami nagkulang sa preparation. And syempre, kahit sino makakalaban namin, handa kami fight.
Now, I'm giving you the opportunity to greet and thank anyone you would like.
Binabati ko lang po yung family ko sa Pampanga and sa mga pinsan ko tsaka tita ko sa QC. And mga kaibigan ko po na mga taga Masantol. Yun lang po. Tsaka pala sa mama ko may ulam na kami.
Again, Jolo Navarro, our CDO Best Player of the Game, who will be receiving a gift back from CDO, food that brings you home. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Aaron.
And yun na nga, you heard it right there. Jolo Navarro, the best player of the game coming from Letran. Pero once again, Coach, maraming salamat po for joining me ngayon. Ang dami ko na naman natutunan from you. Pero Baliwag in this game just coming short.
Right, yun talaga ang problema nila. Pero kasi simula pa lang ng game, bago pa lang magsimula yung game, tulad nga sinabi ni Coach Milo, nagkakaroon talaga ng problem when it comes to, alam mo yun, sa practice nila. Kaya nagtatranslate talaga sa game yun. I'm hoping na ma-resolvehan agad nila yan kasi they are wanting to beat talaga. Talagang magaling yung lineup nila, si Coach Milo and his coaching staff. Kasi wala naman na masasabi sa Pampanga, powerhouse talaga sila. Kaya halos lahat ng team sila yung pinagpe-preparan tulad nga sinabi ni Francine sa interview niya. Kaya I'm really happy na ganyan yung naging resulta ng game.
Pero yun, once again, Coach, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Maraming salamat po and tayo na naman magkakasama next game.
For sure.
Pero let's take a look at this. Up next, ang Pampanga Pradera Delta versus the Luwid 1 Kapampangan. This is our next game. BORN2004 division naman. And as the final buzzer echoes through the halls of the SM Events Hall, we wrap up that unforgettable clash between the Pampanga Pradera Delta and the Baliwag Stars here in the heart of Las Piñas City. For Coach Air Alao, Francine Capili, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Tanan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Boy Troa, and the rest of the hardworking women and men behind the crew. My name is Aaron D and I am honored to be your anchor for today. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood and we hope to see you support our SINAG Liga Asya.